What's good, everybody, bro? Y'all see the box, so y'all already know what kind of unboxing we got. And now look, I ain't gonna lie, if you watch any of my other Kobe videos, especially like the most recent ones, you'll be given a lot of hate on the Kobe line as of recently, and respectfully so. But this one right here, bro, I think it's a little bit different, and I'm gonna go ahead and give it its praise, bro. So we're gonna go ahead and do the unboxing. So make sure you watch the whole video, you like, comment, subscribe, so you know why I'm giving this specific shoe its praise. So without further ado, man, let's get straight into it. So it does have the standard Kobe box. It doesn't have a special box that GiGi on her shoes that they get. So it's just the standard Kobe box with the Mamba logo in the middle, his signature right below it, and then reptile Mamba skin surrounding the whole box. Now, I did get a size 8. Now look, man, y'all know I be getting the big sizes. I actually did get, I got a 14, I got an 8, 10.5, and 14. So if you guys want to check out my Instagram, if you ever want to ship me on any of the shoes that I have on the videos or whatever, make sure to DM me there or leave a comment in the comment section. But yeah, I don't like getting small size in Kobe's, bro, because they don't really do so good in pricing, bro. And that's another thing I want to get into a little bit, because I don't know, I feel like the aftermarket on these should be higher than what they are. You know, not anything for the grad out there, if they missed it, you know, buy it for fairly cheaper than the other Kobe's. But I digress until we open the box. So getting in sizing, we got Kobe 4 Protro. Color code is bi-coastal / black. I don't know if bi-coastal is a fancy word for green, but these are green. I don't know what bi-coastal is. Like I said, it's a size 8, and then the color code is FQ3545-300. So if I don't have them on my IG, excuse me, if I don't have them on my IG, you can always look up that code, put it in your search engine, and you can find them on the aftermarket. So let's get straight into it, bro. Y'all gonna see why I like these, man. So here we go. Look at that. Yes, sir. Okay, the quality on these are really good, bro. Qualities on these are really good. Go ahead, pull that other one out, and y'all can see the icy bottom, bro. Y'all can see the icy bottom. So I'm gonna go ahead, put one up here so y'all can see it at all times while I talk about this one. So just to start off, there are no extra laces, so you are just gonna get this set of black laces, and there's nothing, you know, no accessories or anything like that. Now, the things that I want to get into, first off, let's start with girl dads. So these are the Kobe 4 girl dads. Now, I'm not 100% if Kobe started that term or he just popularized it, but either way, it came from him, and that's the inspiration on this, because obviously he's a daughter, or no, he's the father of a daughter, GiGi, and his other daughter. Now, the specific coloring on, so why it was green, so this whole specific theme of the shoe is based off one picture, and I'm actually gonna go ahead and make it the thumbnail. I'm gonna go ahead and do that, but it was him sitting at a game with GiGi. He had the WNBA hoodie, the orange, and you'll see where that comes in on the shoe, because you're like, bro, there's no orange in here. Just wait a little bit. Just wait. And then he was also wearing a beanie that's the same color as this right here is. And so that's one of the main things that I like about this, right? It has a cool theme. It has a cool storytelling, but it's not doing too much, right? Not doing too much. You know, it's honestly a phenomenal picture. It was floating around the internet everywhere. Comes up in a lot of conversations, and it's good to implement that into shoes, right? That's what a lot of Jordan shoes have, you know, the shots, you know, the breads, etc., the grapes. You know, they from specific events in time that name, that created that story. And I feel like that was a perfect one to do, and it's not doing too much. It doesn't feel forced, because a lot of the other colorways, man, that they come out with these Kobe's, it feels 100% forced, and they're just trying to milk his dad, try to profit off it, and that's why I gave it a lot of hate. But these right here, man, I love it. Then even the quality is good, man. Y'all can see even with suede, now it does have that like brush suede, so if I rub my finger like this on it, it'll shade a little bit. Some people like that, some people don't. I mean, honestly, I think these are one of the shoes where is more a casual shoe. You know, I like more dads, you know, are rocking these compared to like the players, the younger kids, just trying to look cool in some Kobe's. I really think, and then I think also the 4 is more just like, you know, it's rock casual, depending on the colorway. But I think these, like, I could definitely, you know, with some regular sweats, I wouldn't mind wearing these. You know, is phenomenal. And then even with the darker shade right here, down on that midsole. I think that's perfect with these. The chrome plating on the back. Kobe's 24 also on the back. I think it's good. Then another detail that you see right here is this silver embroidery on the inside of the tongue that says girl dad. Now I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I read this off camera because I knew that it said girl dad, but look, bro, in third grade, that's when we started like doing cursive, and the next year they were like, yeah, we don't have to do cursive anymore. So between me and you, I write in cursive and I can barely read in cursive. I just know that this says girl dad. Don't cook me. But yeah, I love the details right there. Like something like it is simple and it's not doing too much. I think it's a good concept and it feels right. And I feel like it also got a lot of positive feedback as well. I had a lot of people in my DMs and even just on the internet, fathers like, man, I need these, girl dad, this and that. And I like, do that. It doesn't seem forced compared to, like the others, man, I need these, super big fan of Bean, like, bro, a lot of these Kobe fans came out of the woodworks, bro, came out of nowhere, bro. But this one right here, bro, it just doesn't feel forced, bro. So all the like dads that wanted, they were able to get it, or if they wasn't able, that the resale isn't that much. And also a lot of stores, they did some great things, basically giving priority on, I think that, and because a lot of people, they have that misconception of, should you be reselling Kobe's? Are you profiting off his death? Like, bro, it's profiting off their death more than I'm profiting off death. You know what I mean? Like, bro, at the end of the day, bro, I can't stop the shoe from being released. Maybe it shouldn't have been released in the first place, like them or them Tombasitas. Like, that's just me though. If y'all gonna release it, if my plug say, hey, bro, I got a couple pairs for you, hey, I ain't gonna leave no money on the table, but like I said, there was a lot of stores that were able to do it. So for example, the store we got to play some games for it, and also they gave priority access. So they had an exclusive game for the girl dad. So you were only able to participate if you were a girl dad. And again, it was just a natural feel because, like stores be having like certain stuff you have to like meet like for that you have to qualify for. A lot of people be lying, bruh. Folks be lying every day, B. And nobody lied, which was a surprise because you can easily be like, little sister, be like, yeah, daughter, like, because I got a niece, bro. I could have for sure pulled up a pic, my niece, and the way this generation going, man, these be young, so I could have for sure finesse, but it just wasn't the vibe, bro, and nobody lied, bro. So nobody pulled out their nieces, their little sisters, all dads with daughters and things like that. So I'm glad that they were able to give priority access. And there was another store out in Austin, I think, that did the same thing. I don't know exactly how they did the release, but I know that the girl dads was able to go first compared to all the other people, which I like it. I like that a lot. Now, on to the next thing. I'm gonna show y'all why that hoodie comes in important. And actually, shout out to the WNBA and Wagon, no recency bias, but the hoodie that he was wearing, I wanted it before all the new rookies came in. Before Kaylin Clark, before Angel Reese, Cameron Brink, Nika. Look, man, hey, look, I'm starting to become a fan of WNBA. But nah, yeah, I hoodie a lot. But obviously you see the insole, it matches that bright orange on that hoodie, bro. So yeah, and again, like I said, it's simple, bro. Put a little hint of orange in there just as a detail. It don't gotta be put on the shoe nowhere, because I really don't think that there was no, shoe that would have, orange, bro. And so I think they added the shoe very, very well. And it doesn't make sense because everything was executed so well, but the aftermarket just wasn't, I expected. Now again, I'm not complaining because I don't buy Kobe's I don't buy them for personal, because if I'm gonna go hoop, I'm gonna buy some regular stuff at Foot Locker. I'm gonna keep it a buck with you. And I'm wearing Kobe's casually, right? I have too many shoes that I haven't even wore yet to, I'm gonna do that later, bro. To wear some basketball shoes casually, right? So, they're just for me, so I really don't care. I get my money regardless. It is what it is. But yeah, man, it's weird. I don't know how I feel. I also think like, maybe the Kobe's is like it never fully died down, right? Because obviously, that's like just everyone like it. But I also think that a lot of people, is not at its peak, right? It's definitely coming down to a decline, because I think this is one of the better Kobe's. It's right, like slightly reverse Grinches, and you can even make an argument that it is better than the reverse scrunches. You know what I mean? I'm personally picking the reverse scrunches over these, but you know, they're right next to each other. So for them to have low resale value. Now, I will say that there were a decent amount of pairs. A lot. When I tell you a lot of people hit on sneakers, That's how I got my 14. My brother for me. And some of my customers hit. That one kind of hurt because I was gonna sell it to him, but you know, that. And I was probably gonna give him a discount either way. Because he's an assistant shopper and things like that. But yeah, a lot of people hit. Couple skier, they did first come first serve, which was crazy to think on a Kobe release, but they did that on the reverse scrunches too. But I thought the reverse scrunches was like a little test. I had a little theory. It didn't plan out how it was. I don't know. They're really inconsistent on how they're dropping the Kobe's, but I'm glad that this specific Kobe was, you know, more accessible than the other ones. You know, it's really good. You know, has a meaning, and people that resonate with that meaning are able to appreciate the shoe and able to have it on their feet. Now, if you are interested, the 4s, I will say, you know, fitting in the size and things like that, because 14's coming in from sneakers and I'm shipping it directly out to Vegas to one of my clients in the NBA. So make sure to subscribe, because I'm gonna have a summer league vlog where I'm gonna see some of my customers that are in the league, and we're gonna go to sneaker con as well. So I think that's pretty fun. So make sure you subscribe for that. But yeah, I was waiting to get it shipped and then make the video, and then, you know what I'm saying? But because I've tried on the Kobe 4 Phillies in another video, so if you want to truly see that, you can watch that. But for the Kobe 4s, they are very narrow. That's what I took away from the Kobe 4 Phillies. They are narrow. Then all Kobe's, I feel like you should go up a full size because they do run small. But yeah, that's the video, man. I love these. Let me know how y'all feel about them in the comment section below. And with that being said, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.